Smack.
Yeah, just be annoyed at me while I'm focusing. I have to manually focus. The autofocus when I film is horrible. Like, when I'm gonna taste this, needs some milk. I have a milk glass. Just gonna put it here.
What do you want to put on them?
I think I want blueberry jam.
Mm-hmm. Good. I don't know what else I put in it.
I don't want to know. Ah, you can see the chocolate thing.
Or do you want Nutella on them?
Oh my god. Yeah, let's try that. Ew, this looks disgusting.
What did you do?
Because it was chocolate milk in it earlier. Can I make another glass of chocolate milk?
What? Yes. Of course.
To give them something interesting to watch.
Ow!
Totally implying that this
I
is
burned
interesting.
myself.
Oh!
Hey, I burned myself right there.
You okay? This just can't be interesting, but okay. Julia making chocolate milk. Uh-huh. Oh my god. Well, looks a bit yummy though.
Yeah, you know those hard corns we put in? They're still hard.
Yeah. Well, okay.
Just look at this.
Yum.
They're kind of falling apart. Who cares?
There's no egg in it.
Yeah, I forgot the egg. Or there was not supposed to be.
Yum. Can I? It smells like blueberry.
Maybe because there is blueberry in it.
Yeah. And the blueberry jam too. It tastes interesting.
I know.
It's different. I like it.
That's good. Shall I go and get the Nutella or what?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna taste some first. Can you even see this?
Yeah, I think the focus is right here, actually. Yummy? Oh, good. There's this sugar-free blueberry preserves from the United States. And this comes from Scotland. We're international. At the moment, I'm all alone here. Oh, I should probably not put on the two others. Because Nutella. Yum. Here it comes. A big Nutella jar. Someone loves her Nutella. I'm surprised she even shares it with me. It's the best smell ever. Okay, Buske, this is the time when you get to see how much Nutella really is left. So there you go. That's how much Nutella is left. It's kind of awesome. Okay. So I'll take a new knife. Just have to get it. Wait. Oh my god, it's melting. And yum.
It's out of focus.
You have to focus. No. Look how many calories this is.
Not that much.
Do you want some?
No thanks.
Really, you're not going to eat your Nutella.
I'll put a little bit on the side of this one.
Okay.
Did you use this?
No, I used the one there. Put it back inside. The Nutella?
No, because it's full of stuff.
Ah, I see.
Oh my god. Mm.
Now I'll taste. Oh my god.
Absolutely great. Nutella is good on everything. How long have I been in the oven? Not enough.
As long as we've been speaking. Now.